Winning sales strategy. Could we win? This is a question what any businesses should use. Finding our strengths and weaknesses before starting design is critically important for success. In large companies, marketing and product specialists are those who set up requirements for the new products. Those are not engineers. There is a summary of our team brainstorming before this product has been developed. Pros. Exceptionally good quality amplifier matching top manufacturer's specs and exceeding human physical hearing capabilities. Satisfying broad customer demand in power range from 50 watts and above. In-house caches design and production options. Significant advantages and flexibility. Good brand OEM model with the warranties and support. Optimized caches specially developed for ICE Power 125 A62. Best-in-class Texas Instrument balanced input chipset preamplifier suitable for the professional market. Considered a competitive advantage, part of the marketing message. Balanced and unbalanced connection via the same input. A bit innovative approach, we need to wait for customer feedback, good for high-end equipment connection. Lightweight for easy handling and shipping worldwide. Important, significantly reducing shipping costs per unit, competitive advantage. ICE Power 125 A62 is not manufactured in China. There are limited risks to be copied and replicated for a very cheap price. A unique small footprint and lightweight design allowed near speaker placement may be considered as a competitive advantage because eliminating the length of the speaker cable. Audiophile grade speaker cables are very expensive. Cons. Small company designs need extra time to be accepted by the market. Challenging to address larger market demands due to the limited cash flow. Need to establish a sales channel. Strong competition. Target customer. Rational audiophile. Those who want maximum value for their money. It is critically important for them to explain and deliver proof that the unit really is good. Audiophiles who want the second unit to the main system. Many audiophiles upgrading their speakers through the years. Not all of them are selling old ones. They do not want to spend too much money on the second system. We believe that our design will fit well in those scenarios. Studios as a references or installation amplifiers. Who knows? If the unit will earn good references, this market can open as well. Installation amplifier. With 500 capability and remote connection via balanced input, this unit may drive arrows of small speakers at the remote location. Low idle consumption, low having always on scenarios. DI market. Caches with assembled components. Good price, but not offering warranties. Addressing the price-sensitive market where you can build your personal system, saving 30% of the budget. The hidden price to pay there is the risks. There will not be warranties and technical support. It is important to set the right expectations for potential customers. Sales channel. Any company can produce something. The tricky moment is how to sell. Large companies spend years building and establishing sales channels. And there is tremendous manpower spent to make it work. Did you ever ask why big brands practically are not presented in eBay? This is due to the eBay has high cost of sales. When you do proper calculations, those are close to 20% plus shipping around 5%. The total cost of sales are close to 25%. And if you do promotions to make your product visible, extra 10% of marketing. Large brands focusing on established channels, those who are able to make forecasts and predictable quantities purchases. All those activities reducing production costs and shortening money turnover time and cash flow. When we start large quantity design projects, we need transit time until the mentioned channels becoming available. So, in the beginning we still rely on internet sales like Amazon Prime, sales channel, eBay, direct using landing page, and in the future, reseller channel development, and some large music equipment reseller or distributor. Marketing strategy. YouTube videos and promotions, customer video stories and tests, professional references from audio world people and names, new DI projects and cross-references, detailed design guidelines and how-to videos, Facebook ads, maybe YouTube ads,